What's up, guys? I got the Arrma Limitless, the V2. So I'm gonna do a speed test today, but I'm only doing on 6S because my connectors, the XT90s, are cracked. You know that's cracked to put on a car. But this was on here years ago. I never switched it out. And now I want to test the speed on 6S because when I'm running on 8S, the power drops. So we're running a Mamba XL2 ESC, and we're running I believe 1100 kV motor, 1650 kV motor, not censored because this is an old Castle motor, but I want to give it a shot today. This is because I haven't hit high speeds in this in years. The most I got out of this in the past was like 102, 104, something around that. It's in my older videos before I really knew what I was doing. This is like basically my starting setup I had in the beginning of my RC adventures. But let's check this out, see what speeds I get. Be right back. I mean, this wasn't, I said that wrong. This wasn't at the beginning of my hobby. It was just at the beginning of my speed running, and it was the V1, you know, the first Limitless that came out. I was in a hobby, you know, way before that came out. But as for speed running, this was my first car. Yeah, I got that steering dual rate up too high. But I'm gonna give it a shot. See what happens here. Make sure I'm tracking. All right, let's make sure everything is right, because I tend to keep, and we tracking. Oh yeah, we're tracking. Might have to let the batteries warm up. A little chilly out here, but it's really not that bad, but it is chilly. We're gonna see how this is gonna work. She is checking pretty much straight, so. Pretty much tracking straight. A couple cars around so I can warm up a little bit. Oh yeah, it's tracking straight. All right, definitely tracking straight. Yeah, tracking straight as hell. Yes, he's tracking pretty much straight. Using both hands, especially with this thing, this monster. No, I gotta turn down my steering dual rate. Gotta turn that down. Tracking straight. Yeah, that steering dual rate was way too high. Nah. That's pretty fast. No, it wasn't pretty fast. That better be 80 something. Oh, that's that wishful thinking, because it didn't look like 80 something, to be honest with you. All right, here we go. $83. I mean, it is only 6S though. All right, that's all right. Only 6S. I mean, if I try 8, it's really gonna stall on me. It did it before, like a few times. Let's try it again, man. Let's try it again. 83 miles an hour. I mean, I guess that's not bad, but kind of wanted more. I think if I stayed on it, I'll get 85. Oh, that's why he turned down that steering do rate. I lost it for a second, but it wasn't major. I got to get it under control. All right, let me check that. You know what? Let me do one more pass. I'm satisfied with those passes. You know me, I'm start messing around. I say that was 85, hopefully like 90. Hopefully like 90. $82, it went down. It went down. I'm running them CNHL batteries in here, so I know the batteries are pushing on point. But the problem is, mainly, is my battery connector. I have the XT90. I know y'all saying you know better than that, but I really do know better than that. I know way better than that, than the new XT90s. No better than to use XT90s. I want to make sure, because I keep hearing cars. Right, let's go down a little further. I do want to try 8S so bad, but I just don't want to, because I'm doing another speed run with my felony. Yeah, look like I just hit some leaves. Can't tell where I'm at. Okay, I didn't even have to come down here. All right. Okie dokie. And I want to do another one. Want to be able to see clearly though. Want to be able to see clearly. Didn't mess up nothing. Ran into a pile of leaves, so. And she. Woo, I almost lost it. Almost lost that. All right, let's check that speed real quick. Check that speed. $81 miles an hour. Not gonna do no better than that. That's cool. I want to mess around real quick. Motor should be nice and cool, you know, with that, especially on 6S. Even though it was even though it was the 4 passes. Oh! What I'm trying to do, get nice little drift, turn. But you know, I'm gonna stop. Plus I didn't tear up these foams. So all right, that's good. So I'm gonna try 8S. I'm gonna switch out these connectors. So the next time I run this car, I'm gonna have the right connectors. I can run 8S and then I can truly see where the speeds are. But as always, I hope you enjoyed that video. Hit that like button, notification bell. Thanks for watching. And I'm out. Boom.